Okay, this is a 6-minute workout focusing on your legs and butt. So let's go. Starting with 30 seconds of a backward lunge, knee lift. Backward lunge, knee lift. Chest up, abdominals pulled in always, shoulders back and down. And of course, we've got a fair amount of focus on that leg, this one, although both of them are still working. And of course, you're having to work on your balance as well. The more you pull in through your core, the more balance you'll find you've got. Maybe you can set your eyes on something. All right, done. Change sides. And as always, focus on the body part you're working. Make every rep count. You know, really think about using that butt cheek to squeeze as you come up. Working on the core, pulling it in. Think booty. Always. Last one. Okay, feet go wide into a squat, knees and toes aligned. 3, 2, 1, squeeze. So get down nice and deep and then squeeze to the top. I love a good specific workout, really focusing on one area, because you start to feel it. You start to get that fatigue and you start to get that burn. Last one. Done. Okay, we're gonna lay on our back. Feet come in nice and close. Up, out, in, down. Again, focus is all on the booty and the backs of the legs. Still pulling in through the core and having to really push up to get that thrust action. Done. All right, come up into your wide squat again. Down and up. Nice, and add a jump to up the intensity, or not. You can keep it without the jump. Your call. Last one. Done. All right, it's a curtsy squat, so you lunge, I should say. Come back, kick through. Take your time with this one. It requires a little bit of balance and coordination, and the more confident you get with it, the deeper you can go. Again, I don't think I need to tell you where the focus is, because you're probably feeling that now. Down and up. Nice. Perfect. All right, we changed the other side. So it's back and out. Balance comes from the core. Find your place where you can really feel yourself very centered and balanced, and then go for a bit more depth. Nice. A couple more seconds. We can get one more in, I'm sure. Done. Okay, shake out your legs. Give yourself a chance to catch a break. Towel off, a little quick drink of water if you need to. We're not taking too much of a break. It's only like 20 seconds. So come on down to the floor and come up into what I call a beast kick. So all weight goes onto the upper body, knees stay bent, and then kick like a mule. Nice. Push through that heel, kick away. Now, I was doing this with a mate of mine the other day, and she was happy to be on her knees. That's fine. I prefer you here, just to put that load into the shoulders, but it's your call because it's your workout. Very good. All right, come down, please. We're into a leg curl press. And you'll see that I've got my feet flexed here. And that's because I really want to recruit the hamstring. Alternating leg curl lift. Oh yeah, I got the focus. And it's back there in that power pack. Nice. All right, from here, rolling over into a reverse table. Option is to stay put. Otherwise, so it's a big squeeze to the top. And I know you know where the focus is now, because you've probably got a bit of fire going on back there. Last one. Nice. All right, we're coming back up into ice skaters. So a little bit of plyometric work, jumping, with still very much a leg and butt focus. You're doing great. Come on, stay with me. We're pretty close to the finish line. Good. Keep it up. Big push. Nice. All right, last 30 seconds. Lunge, lunge, squat. Lunge, lunge, squat. Or 2 plyos. Oh, this is the last one, by the way. So if you want to up the ante, do it. Nearly there. Come on, drive. Go for it, home. Go for it. One more set. Yes. Great work. Now you've done legs and butt. You might want to pair this with the upper body focus workout. Thank you.